What's up everybody? So the day you've all been waiting for is finally here. Today is June 14 and right now I'm going to be drawing out the winner for my 100 sub giveaway. So but before we go there, I'd just like to greet all of my subscribers in the United States. Happy Flag Day. I'm not really sure how you celebrate it because obviously I'm not an American. I have never lived in the United States, although I have visited a few places there once, like Los Angeles, New York when I was much younger. So yeah, that's what we're going to be doing. I'm on headphones right now because at least that'll allow me to at least cancel out the noise from outside. The neighbors are having a party. They're having a karaoke and they are singing to their heart's content right now, and you know, good for them. Enjoy, and whatever you're celebrating, I hope you're enjoying your Thursday afternoon. Right, so first of all, I am very surprised as to the reception of the 100 sub giveaway. I thought, you know, I just have like 10 people commenting on there and joining the giveaway, but actually the number, it was quite a good number, you know. I did the giveaway because I reached 100 subs and about 50 people joined that giveaway. A lot of them are new subscribers. Some of them are old subscribers, and actually there were quite a few of them down in the comments who I've actually met in real life and are my friends in real life, or in Facebook at least. So yeah, I'm really happy that they were there, and these are also some of my countrymen, Filipinos, but not just Filipinos. There were people from all over the world who put in their comments there. I believe there's someone from India. There's some people from from the UK, from the US, and probably elsewhere. You know, 100 subscribers is a really big milestone for me, but you know, having 150, it really motivates me even more to put more useful content, put out more videos that either would entertain you or be informative to you in some way or another. So yeah, so I'm looking at this and reading through the comments, and it's really heartwarming to read all of these comments. And someone said that they want to get the ethics bag for the lunchbox. Oh, by the way, up for grabs is your choice of either this ethics bag. Obviously this is mine. Just in case you are in the Philippines, you can when I ship this to you, I'm also going to be sending you out not the transmitter, but actually just the stick protector, 2 of them. So in case if you whatever transmitter you have, may it be an X9D or a QX7 like this, or maybe a Fly Sky, whatever you decide to put in this ethics transmitter bag, at least you are going to have something to protect your sticks with. And unfortunately, that's only going to be for my countrymen here in the Philippines, because this is where I am. But for everyone else, wherever you are in the world, I'm going to be having one shipped direct to you from the TBS store. So unfortunately, I won't be able to give that extra freebie to you guys. But yeah, so that's one of the prizes. You can choose to get Lift Off, which is a really great simulator, and the one I've been playing with a couple of days before this. And you can also get Velocity-Drone, which is quite popular right now because they say it's even more realistic than Lift Off. So I don't have a copy myself, but whoever's gonna win, you have that choice if that is what you want. So yeah, I'm just going through the comments, and yeah, there are a lot of new people here, new subscribers, and a lot of people really like the ethics bag, but some people would like I've seen some people say that they want the, what do you call this, they want the simulator as well. So whoever's going to be the lucky one, I guess, yeah, fingers crossed. I mean, you guys, you get your fingers crossed. Whoever's gonna win. So the way I'm going to draw this out is via the YouTube random comment picker that Joshua Bardwell uses, which is on the Sandas Sires website. I don't know how to say it. Sandas Sires. Right. So I'm just gonna copy the URL of my giveaway, and then just gonna paste it here. right, so let's just go ahead and load the comments, and let's see who's going to be the winner. All right. Okay, so it's time to pick, randomly pick winner. Alright, so great channel and amazing giveaway. I need a simulator so bad. I'm new to FPV and suck at acro. Thanks and have fun flying. By Drone Review Man. Alright, congratulations Drone Review Man. You won this 100 sub giveaway. And again, thank you everyone for joining this this giveaway. And I'm really happy that for reaching 100 subs, and now I'm about 150 subs. And you know, this is a really big milestone for me. The next milestone is going to be 1,000, or maybe just 5. We'll target 500 first, but you know, 500 is just around the corner, so who knows when that's gonna happen. So I do hope you stick around. I'm going to be posting more entertaining content, more instructional videos, and you know, more vlogs about you know, learning how to fly FPV. So I really do hope you follow my journey and, you know, becoming a better pilot, and that and if you like any of my other videos, do let me know by hitting on the like and you know, just posting a comment. So I've been getting a lot of nice comments lately from my other videos from these new subscribers as well, so that makes me really happy. All right, so and I really do hope you stay on as a subscriber, because 500 subs is just it's just a stone's throw away. So you know, maybe, just maybe, we can do another giveaway when that happens. All right, hint hint. All right, so again, thank you very much Drone Review Man. You won this giveaway. I'm gonna send you a message through YouTube, so do be sure to check that out, or you know, just you know, just post a comment, or get in touch with me on Facebook or something, right? So anyway, thanks again to everyone who joined. Better luck next time, maybe on the 500 mark, maybe on the 1,000 mark. So again, thank you very much for supporting this channel. I'm really so stoked, and I'm really inspired to push myself even further because of you guys. All right, so again, thank you everyone, and as always, keep building and keep flying.